Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation here, which is 8 to the power of x. This is equal to 800. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. We have 8 to the power of x. This is equal to 800. To solve for x, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log 8 to the power of x. This is equal to log 800. Log 8 to the power of x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this logarithm property, then log 8 to the power of x becomes x log 8. This is equal to log 800. So let's divide both sides by log 8. And also here we have log 8. Now let's simplify log 8 and log 8 here, so that we have x is equal to, this is log 800 divided by log 8. Now we can express 800 basically as 100 multiplied by 8. So here we have x is equal to log 100 multiplied by 8, everything here divided by log 8. Now log 100 times 8, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have x is equal to log 100 divided by log 8, then plus, here we have log 8 divided by log 8. So we have that log 8 and log 8 here simplifies. So we have x is equal to 1 plus, we have log 100 divided by log 8. Now we have x is equal to 1 plus log 100 over log 8. We can express 100. This is the same thing as 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2. We can also express 8 basically as 2 to the power of 3. So this implies that x here is equal to 1 plus, this is log 5 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 2, everything here divided by log 2 to the power of 3. Now we have that log 5 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 2. This is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, we have that x is equal to 1 plus, this is log 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 2 to the power of 3, then plus log 2 to the power of 2 divided by log 2 to the power of 3. Now applying the power rule property here, we have that x is equal to 1 plus, now log 5 to the power of 2 becomes 2 log 5 divided by log 2 to the power of 3 becomes 3 log 2, then plus, here we have log 2 to the power of 2, which is 2 log 2 divided by 3 log 2. So we can simplify here log 2 and log 2, so that now we have x equal to 1 plus 2 over 3, then plus 2 over 3. This is log 5 divided by log 2. Now, x here is equal to 1 plus 2 over 3. This is the same thing as 5 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Now, log 5 over log 2, we can express this as log 5 to base 2. The next step is that a third is common here, so we can factor out a third, so that we have a third into the parentheses. This is 5 plus 2 log 5 to base 2, and this is the value of x. This is the value of x. So the next step from here is to verify this value of x satisfies the equation as follows. Now let's verify that this value of x here satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we have that 8 to the power of x. This is supposed to give us a value of 800. Now we can express 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So we have 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of x. This should give us a value of 800. So let's substitute the value of x. We have 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 1 over 3 into the parentheses. This is 5 plus 2 log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 800. Now 3 and 3 here simplifies so that we have 2 to the power of 5 plus 2. This is log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 800. Now you find that 2 is a power here, so we can express this as 2 to the power of 5 plus this is log 5 raised to the power of 2 to base 2. This should give us a value of 800. Now 2 to the power of 5 plus log 5 to the power of 2 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of log 5 squared to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 800. Now 2 to the power of 5, this can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and this is the same thing as 32. We have 32 to the power of log 5 to the power of 2 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of b. Now this implies that 2 to the power of log 5 squared to base 2, this is going to give us a value of 5 squared, which is 25. And this implies that here we have that 2 multiplied by 25. This should give us a value of 800. So here we have that 2 multiplied by 25. So 5 times 2, this is 10, 0 carry 1. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1, this is 16. 2 times 2, this is 4. 3 times 2, this is 6. So we have 0, 6 plus 4, this is 10, 0 carry 1. 6 plus 1, this is 7, then 8. So we have that here 800 is equal to 800. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this confirms that the value of x here, which is 1 over 3 into the parentheses, 5 plus 2 log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe.